بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله القاهر في محكمة تنزيل يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد. We give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has made it possible for us to take our Sahur this morning again. May He accept it from us as an act of worship and reward us with His Jannah. The viewers at home, I greet you in the best mode of greeting by saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In our discussion this morning, we shall be looking at Islamic values. Remember, we are discussing the month of Ramadan as the month of restoration, or as the month of value restoration. So one of the values we are looking this morning is benefits of unity. And from this verse of the Quran chapter 4 verse 1, Allah told us, Ya ayyuhan nas, O you mankind, ittaqu rabbakum, fear your creator, fear Allah, alladhi khalaqakum min nafsin wahida. This creator of yours created every human being from just one. He created nafsin wahida. Khalaqakum min nafsin wahida, just from one soul. Wa khalaqa minha zawjaha, and he equally create his spouse, his wife, our mother Hawa. And from these two, وَبَاثَ مِنْهُمَا رِجَالًا كَثِيرًا وَنِسَاءً, numerous billions of men and women emerge as a result of Adam and Eve. In another verse, Allah told us again, Ya ayyuhan nas, O you mankind, in alaknakum min dhakara wa untha, I created you in male and female. Wa ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qaba'ila, I created you into different districts, states, tribes, and clans. But for what purpose? Lita'arafu, just to recognize yourself. This is one is Yoruba, this is an Hausa, this is Igbo, this is Igwera, this is Ijebu, this is Fulani. It's just for recognition. But when it becomes issue of honor, inna akramakum indallahi atqakum, when it becomes the issue of honor before Allah, the most honorable amongst you is the person that fear Allah. So it is not a matter of tribe, it's a matter of taqwa. Alhamdulillah, we're in the month of Ramadan, the month of taqwa, because Allah told us the essence of fasting, la'allakum tattaqun, so that we can fear Him. So who is more honorable before Allah is not as a result of your clan, it's not as a result of your tribe, but it's as a result of being God conscious, God fearing person. In another verse of the Quran, Allah told us, Allah instructed us, وَاتَّسِمُوا بِأَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا, hold on to the rope of Allah, وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا, do not disunite among yourself. So this morning we just want to briefly look at benefits of unity. Is there benefits in unity? Categorically yes, and you cannot actually live without an element of unity. But for us to unite, first and foremost, and I want us to understand, my dear viewers, let us know that being a Nigerian, it is not a mistake from Allah. It's a matter of destiny. Allah does not make any mistake by making this country called Nigeria, that you, listen to me, you are equally a Nigerian, either from the north, or from the east, or from the south, or from the west. You are a Nigerian. But the most important thing is that recognize yourself as a creature of Allah. That should be the basis. And that's why you see these first two verses I quoted. They are verses that start with, yeah, you are nas. Allah is talking to humanity. Allah is talking to humanity. Yeah, you are nas. Oh, you mankind. Yeah, you are nas. Oh, you mankind. So it is a matter of mankind, humanity. The unity we are discussing here is not about unity as it relates to religion. But this morning, I'm stressing that we need to unite as humanity. We are creatures of Allah. We are creatures of Allah, and we must recognize ourselves. And in that, there are so much benefit we can derive. The first one is spiritual benefit. When we come together, we benefit each other spiritually. What does that mean? We worship together, we perform salah together, we perform siyam together, we go on Hajj together, from the east, from the north, everybody. When we are on Hajj, nobody knows where you come, either from Rifa, either from Imo, either from Oyo, either from Kano, either from Maiduguri. Everybody is looking for the 10th of Nigeria. And that's the beauty of unity. And we need to unite on that. From unity, we have economic benefit. There are some resources that reside in one area and it does not reside in another. Yeah, you have this in abundance, but you cannot eat it on your own. Take for example now, the war witnessed recently between Russia and Ukraine. There are so many things, both of them are losing economically because they are into war. Even the other part of the world are equally facing the economic hardship as a result of that war. What it means is that if Ukraine and Russia can unite themselves, then it means they will get their economic benefit back and they will come back on track economically. There is going to be political benefit when we unite ourselves. We have stability in our political space. We select the right leader. We are not being sentimental about who leads, but we look at who is competent to lead. So that's the benefit of unity. When we have so many brains that can lead, but because of the sentiments and because we are not united, and that's why we cannot see. Everybody is looking just within his own territory. No, let's widen our horizon as a nation. So when we unite, the Yoruba unite with the Igbo will unite with the Hausa. And let me reiterate something very important with these three major tribes in this country. Allah has endowed each one with what it takes to lead the world. Yeah, but for us just to annex it together and make us more stronger is just our problem. And I think if we can unite ourselves together, come together as a nation, is going to benefit us politically. Take for example, when you are discussing the issue of policy makings, you don't look at it sentimentally. You look at it from the productive angle. You won't say because this person is not from my tribe, whatever he says I will oppose it. No. That's not acceptable. We have social benefit as a result of unity because we are going to collectively wage war against any vices in the society, and we're going to collectively promote virtues in the society once we can come together and unite ourselves. We have security benefit as a result of unity because everybody will be at alert, seeing whoever is posing any threat to them. Even if they are a member of their clan, they will expose him. This are the beauty of unity. When you go to secure our boundaries, there must be unity between the army and the air force and the navy. They must unite. If they don't unite, they can't win the war. So everything requires, at home level, the father and the mother must promote unity, and that unity will transcend from them to their children, to their large society, large community, and on like that. In the place of work, the leaders there will promote unity among the subordinate staff, and they will work together. And you see their productivity will be enhanced as a result of that. So there are some, even in sporting, there is unity. If the striker is not uniting with the midfielders, they can't win the game. So everything Allah has so designed it until when we unite among ourselves, we cannot tap the resources and the strengths in each other. So, dear viewers at home, it is time that we need to unite. But the first point of this unity is unity as the unity of humanity. Then from there now we come to the other side of this unity. As a member of the same nation, we need to unite, to work together on the same philosophy and promote the same virtues and restore back the same value system. May Allah make it easy for us. Accept our siyam, accept our qiyam, and accept our dua in this blessed month of Ramadan. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wassalamu ala al-mursalin. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.